Welcome to Mr. English Podcast. Hi, I'm Olivia. Today I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and learn real English for daily life. I'm going to tell you a simple weekend story about my family. You will learn useful sentences while enjoying the conversation. Let's begin. Good morning, Mike. It's already 7:30. Morning. Is it that late? Yes. I woke up early to make breakfast. You are always the early bird. I wanted more sleep. I know, but it's Saturday and we have a lot to do. It's Saturday. Can't we relax a little? Not this morning. The kitchen cabinet door is still loose. Oh, right. I said I would fix it. Yes. And the kids will keep opening it. I don't want it to fall off. Okay. I'll check it now. Where is my screwdriver? In the drawer near the fridge. Please be quiet. Why? Because I'm going to wake Jack, and if he hears tools he will hide under his blanket. All right. I'll be quiet. Jack, time to get up. 5 more minutes. No. You said the same thing last weekend. Get up. But it's the weekend. No school. Yes, but breakfast is ready and we have things to do. Like what? Can I sleep more? We will clean the house and go shopping later. Shopping. Can I get a new game? Maybe. But only if you help with cleaning. Fine. But I'm still sleepy. Wash your face. You will wake up. Emma, are you awake? Yes, but still in bed. It's 8:30. Time to get up. I'm choosing what to wear. It's only breakfast. Yes, but we are going shopping later. I want to look nice. You always look nice. Thanks, but I want to feel good today. Then choose something quickly. Okay. 5 minutes. Jack, what are you doing? Playing my game. You finished breakfast and now you are playing again. Yes. It's the weekend. You already played for 30 minutes. That's not long. I can play 2 hours. No. You need a break. Help me clean the living room. Cleaning is boring. We will do it together. Then you can play again for 30 minutes. Okay. Let me save my game. Start by the sofa. Then clean under the table. The cord is short. Plug it in near the wall. I found a candy wrapper. That's why we clean. Almost done. Great. Then take a short break. Mike, how's the cabinet door? Almost fixed. Just one screw. Good. You are great at fixing things. Maybe I should start charging you. Then I will charge you for cooking dinner. Okay, free service is better. So, what next? Nothing urgent. After cleaning we will go shopping. Do we have a shopping list? Yes. Milk, bread, vegetables, and coffee. Always coffee. Maybe something for the kids. A new game? Only if Jack helps without complaining. Emma, can you set the table? Where are the plates? In the cabinet above the sink. Do we have juice? Yes, orange juice. What's for lunch? Vegetable soup and sandwiches. Can we have pasta tomorrow? Maybe, after shopping. We all sat down for lunch. Simple food and happy talking. After eating, we cleaned quickly and got ready to leave. Do we have everything? Keys, wallet, phone, sunglasses. Do we have reusable bags? Yes, already in the car. Seat belts on. Ready. Let's go shopping. And that's my weekend morning. From waking up to leaving the house. In the next episode, we will go to the store, have dinner out, and watch a movie. I hope you learned something useful today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again on Mr. English Podcast. See you next time.